In this video, you are going to learn how to customize your Instagram bio. Make those cool different line spaces, throw some emojis up there, and make your Instagram account look professional. Alright guys, I'm Andy. If you learned something new in this video, if you like technology, if you want to learn how to just do a lot of tech related things with your iPhone, computer, all sorts of stuff like that, please consider subscribing because we've got a lot of cool videos on here to help you improve your lifestyle. But to customize your Instagram bio, you're going to open up Instagram and of course go to your bio. Now this is something cool that you used to only be able to do from a computer, but now Instagram has made changes so that you can make these cool changes straight from your phone. So if you click Edit Profile, you can come down here to the bio section. Now something that's really cool now is you can do line spacing directly from your smartphone. So if you want to put different things on different lines, you can just type like, hey, what's up? I don't know, that's kind of dumb. And then just press return and go to a different line. So you can type different stuff on different lines. And so a lot of people are doing that where you'll see like an emoji and then a phrase and then a new line, emoji, phrase, emoji, phrase. I don't know, I think it looks pretty cool. So that's kind of what I do for my Instagram bios on my stuff. So I'm gonna put right here our content, because right below that is gonna be our web link, like you'll see right here. And I've got a link right there so people can, click the link and check it out. But you'll see here, you can set it up nicely. You can have different lines of different type of text. So mess around with it. Go play around with different line spacing. You might have to press save and then look at your profile to see how it looks. And if it's all jumbled onto the next line weird, you might want to mix up your wording and stuff so that it looks nice and professional right there on your Instagram bio. But that, my friends, is how to customize your Instagram bio, how to make it cool with the emojis on the different lines and everything. So go play around with it, make your Instagram profile pop. I definitely recommend throwing in some emojis on there. I think it really makes your profile stand out, and make use of that space. I mean, put what quality information you can on there so people know exactly what they can find on your Instagram. Alright guys, if you learned something new, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video.